This video explains how to use the RIDGID K-5208 transport cart to maneuver the K-5208 drain cleaning machine and cable carrier to and from the worksite. The transport cart allows you to wheel the machine easily and quickly over smooth, level surfaces and can also be used to support the K-5208 machine during drain cleaning operation. Start by setting the kickstand, then lay the transport cart down to load the K-5208 drain cleaning machine. Place the K-5208 frame in the cart, fully seating it in all four hooks to secure it in the cart. Then load the cable carrier by placing it on the cart against the cable carrier arms. Lift the cart by the handles. Lift carefully. A fully loaded cart can weigh up to 210 pounds. To transport the loaded cart, clip the kickstand up. Securely grasp the cart handles and lean the cart back onto the wheels, balancing the weight. Now you can wheel the cart to the transportation vehicle. Before loading the machine into a vehicle, position the cart on a clear, level, stable surface to reduce the risk of tipping. Lean the cart back, placing the handle of the cart on the loading surface. Lift the cart and slide it onto loading surface while being aware of cart weight. Be sure not to lift the cart by the machine. At the job site, unload the cart by reversing the loading procedure. When getting to and from the job site requires stairs, the K-5208 transport cart has stair skids that help protect the stairs and ease movement up and down the stairs. When you reach the work site, position the K-5208 and cart for drain cleaning. Set the kickstand to hold the cart in place during operation. Remove the cable carrier from cart, as you should never operate the drain cleaner with the cable carrier on the cart. Now set up the K-5208 drain cleaning machine for operation using the transport cart to hold the machine. The K-5208 is the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. It clears 2-inch to 8-inch drain lines faster and cleans them better. When the drain is cleared and the job completed, before moving the cart, make sure all equipment and material is removed from the machine, such as the guide hose and cable, or is properly secured, such as the cord and decoupler. This will help prevent damage. In order to take the transport cart back to your vehicle, lift the handle end of the cart, being aware of the cart weight. With the cart vertical, clip the kickstand up. If the cart can't be used at the site, the machine can be easily removed and carried to the site. To learn more about the RIDGID K-5208 drain cleaning machine and transport cart, visit RIDGID.com or contact your authorized RIDGID dealer.